Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best rubber base coat is probably one of the most exciting innovations in nail care, offering a fantastic foundation for your manicures. This product is designed to provide flexibility, durability, and adhesion, ensuring your nail polish lasts longer and resists chipping. Whether you're a seasoned nail art enthusiast or a beginner, this base coat can significantly elevate your nail game, giving you a smooth, even surface for flawless results. Number 5. FZANEST Builder Base Gel Polish. This innovative product is a versatile solution for your nail care needs. It functions as a self-leveling builder gel, base coat, and nail strengthener, all in one. The builder base is designed to be thicker than a regular base coat, making it ideal for strengthening thin or brittle nails. It smooths out any imperfections on the nail surface, providing a perfect base. It's easy to extend your nails with this gel, with up to 2 cm extensions recommended. The thick texture self-levels quickly without spreading, ensuring a neat application. The polish comes in pretty translucent pink and nude shades, perfect for a natural look or French manicure. It gives a beautiful, sheer finish. Enjoy creating your own nail art with family and friends. This soak-off gel polish cures in 30 to 120 seconds under a UV LED lamp, making it easy to use at home. What we like? This product is a versatile all-in-one solution, acting as a builder gel, base coat, and sheer color. Its thicker formula is perfect for strengthening thin or brittle nails, smoothing imperfections, and providing a flawless base. If you're looking for a product that combines multiple functions while enhancing the natural beauty of your nails, you should definitely consider this. What people say. This is the first time that my nails actually last with a product. Nothing seemed to work until I used this. It's great, 2 coats and they are hard. Beautiful color, easy to work with, and long-lasting. Lasts weeks if cured properly, no chipping. Number 4. AIMEILI HEMA Free Rubber Base Gel. This is the AIMEILI HEMA Free Rubber Base Gel. It's designed to be gentle on your nails, making it a safer and healthier choice for your manicure routine. This innovative product acts as a base coat, strengthening overlay, and even a color gel. It's a versatile solution for all your nail needs, all in one bottle. Applying this gel is simple. Just brush it on, add the desired thickness, and cure it under a UV or LED lamp. The self-leveling formula ensures a smooth finish. It creates a protective layer, strengthening both natural and artificial nails. This helps prevent breakage, ensuring your manicure lasts longer. Enjoy creating your own nail art at home with family and friends. This product makes it easy to achieve professional-looking results. What we like? This rubber-based gel is formulated without HEMA, making it a gentler and safer option for your nails. It functions as a base coat, strengthener, and color gel, simplifying your manicure routine. If you have sensitive nails or prefer a product with multiple benefits in one bottle, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Rubber-based gels are supposed to have some give that helps thin, weak nails grow without being so hard that they can break easily. Compare a silicone straw to a plastic straw. These have less give than I'm used to, but still great. This was used on a warm Texas day, but the AC inside was on full blast, so the product was not warmed up but actually cool. I mention this because the formula was super thick, but the self-leveling was on point. It fills dips and dents in natural nails really easily, and is fantastic for blending a half-cover nail tip so you can't see the line just below the French tip. Number 3. SAVILAND Builder Gel Nail Kit. This kit is perfect for both beginners and professionals. It's a comprehensive set designed to give you beautiful, strong nails with ease. It includes everything you need for a perfect manicure. This versatile gel acts as a foundation, strengthener, rhinestone glue, and jelly polish. It's ideal for both DIY nail art and professional salon use. It simplifies your nail routine. This gel helps restore your nail plate to a healthy state. It's especially beneficial for dehydrated nails, providing the support they need. It helps to keep your nails strong. Build up the color from clear to solid with multiple coats. The sheer color allows for customization, letting you achieve your desired look. Apply several layers to get the effect you want. Made with natural resin, this gel is low odor and gentle on your nails and skin. With proper application, it can last up to 3 to 4 weeks. It's a long-lasting solution for beautiful nails. Remember to do a skin allergy test before use. A slight warming sensation during curing is normal. If you have any issues, contact us for help. Click Add to Cart now and experience the magic. What we like. This product is a versatile 5-in-1 rubber foundation gel, perfect for various nail art applications. It strengthens and restores the nail plate, promoting a healthy transition. If you are a beginner or a professional looking for a long-lasting and versatile product, this is a great choice. What people say. This builder gel is the perfect addition to your gel manicure to help strengthen the nail and help your manicure last longer. Color is beautiful. You can go opaque or add layers for more pink. Very easy to use. Minimal peeling with base coat. Works great and levels beautifully. I've used it as a simple overlay and also to build out some extensions. Works well in either situation and the color is really quite flattering. Number 2. OXXI 2x15 ml rubber base and top coat gel set. This set features a revolutionary rubber base technology. It moves with your nails, preventing cracks and keeping them looking fresh. Say goodbye to the issues caused by bending and enjoy long-lasting results. With its super strong grip, this product challenges the limits of durability. It easily adheres to oily and damaged nails, preventing edge curling. Your nail art will remain stable for over 4 weeks. The special formula provides excellent fluidity. It automatically fills in any grooves or brush marks on the nail surface. Within 10 to 15 seconds, it creates a mirror-like smooth base. Enjoy high gloss retention for over 4 weeks, with zero yellowing. This ensures your nails maintain a vibrant and polished look for an extended period. Defy daily wear and tear with the scratch-proof armor technology. It can withstand keys, phones, and everyday use, remaining flawless even after 30 days. What we like. This product offers superior flexibility, moving with your nails to prevent cracking and chipping. Its enhanced adhesion ensures your nail art lasts for weeks, even on oily or damaged nails. If you want a long-lasting, flawless manicure that adapts to your natural nail movement, you should consider this. What people say. I get full durable coverage that truly protects my nails. It's not too thick and I haven't had any lifting and the top coat is absolutely the best I've used. It cures crystal clear with a high gloss. Excellent rubber base. It has good consistency, a little thick, which means that you don't need to put many layers to see thickness results on the nail. Photo 1 is September, photo 2 is June. All of this growth and no breakage in all of those months, and this is my first time growing out my nails after being a nail biter my whole life. I think it's because it allows my nail to be flexible if I hit on something so it bends slightly instead of breaking. It's still hard but not stiff, if that makes sense. Number 1. IN.HYPE Rubber Base Coat. This rubber base coat is the perfect foundation for builder gel, acrygel, and camouflage gels. It provides superior adhesion and resists chipping, ensuring your manicure lasts longer. It's also suitable for thin or overfilled nails. Prep your nails for a flawless manicure with ease. This formula is designed for problem, thin, and brittle nails. It smooths out any dents or unevenness on the nail surface, creating a perfect base for your nail art. It offers strong adhesion and flexibility, allowing it to bend with your natural nail. This prevents breaking or chipping, keeping your gel polish anchored and preventing peeling or lifting. This allows your gel polish to last much longer. Use it for easy nail building or to create a slight apex for added durability. The added strength makes it ideal for natural nails, tips, overlays, and sculpting. It is also soak off. Cure it in a UV LED or LED lamp with at least 36 W voltage. It's easy to remove, as it is a soak-off base coat. What we like. This rubber base coat provides an excellent foundation for hard materials and ensures your manicure lasts longer. Its strong adhesion and medium pH level make it suitable for all nail types, including thin or overfilled nails. If you have thin or brittle nails and want a reliable base for your nail art, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to apply, dries well, no chipping. Very durable, doesn't break or chip when done correctly. It is seriously flexible without any brittleness that leads to lifting and breaking. It sticks, like seriously well, I can't chew it off. It sticks so well that if my extensions lift and fall off, this base gel actually stays on. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.